Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and I've been always talking about what is this importance of sleep and all. And I have only one message here. Just want you to understand this stuff basically. Protect your eyes from the blue light at night, and use, if we can use red light at night, change all the bulbs in your bedroom when you sleep to red light. And absolutely go for a bright sunny sunlight, and that's, I think it's very prerequisite for a proper health. And some things which have been never understood, and we also were not able to clearly put across this particular stuff about this particular thing. You should always look at the kind of sunlight. And when I'm talking about this sunlight, I mean to say that you enjoy that light, expose yourselves to lot of bright light during the day. And on the contrary, try to avoid on the other side night lights, basically bright night lights in the night. And try to see that you use that blue cut and all. Blue cut is one thing which almost all the things you can always get from your specs and all. You can ask them to go for a blue cut lenses, or you can always use a reflective coating and all that. Try to use red lights and try to cut down that. This light, basically what I'm talking about is that blue light. So this particular the idea here is, the why we are talking about this stuff is a simple stuff. This blue light is causing a much shift in the circadian rhythm, and it blocks your pineal gland, and the release of the melatonin is hampered. So what happens is that when you normally on a day-to-day basis you try to watch that a TV with this has got a LED TV. Most of them are having. It doesn't have that blue cut. This one, the larger screens are all basically contains a lot of blue light, and what you are ending up is, while before you sleep that particular stuff, your melatonin is getting jeopardized like anything. This one particular shift, if you can see that your melatonin is free flow, and try avoid looking at bright screens 1 to 2 hours before the bed. And yes, you need to see that you always take that particular thing. I can tell you with this particular concept, and with that, 2017 Nobel Prize was awarded for this kind of circadian rhythm, this particular stuff. And you need to take this very diligently if you are trying to avoid any kind of diseases. I can always go on and on here, but I just want to show you how these are the papers which shows that because of this particular thing, there is a suppression of nocturnal plasma melatonin which is happening, and this is one of the basic reasons for increase in autoimmune diseases as well as cancer and all degenerative diseases. And this is one thing which we are talking about from a epigenetics point of view. And you need to take word home, and absolutely try to avoid bright light at night. Try to see that you can use red light, totally switch off from the blue light. Even your cell phones, what you have got, and even when you look into that cell phone also, that bright light will get into this optic chiasm, and it is sufficient to jeopardize your melatonin levels. And this is one thing which I always have been talking about. And if you can just take this particular small measure, this will help you in a immense way. Thank you.